Paano mag-delete ang Facebook page 2023.
At the top of Facebook, tap 3 lines, or your profile picture. Scroll down, then select Page. Tap the page you manage. Tap Switch. At the top of Facebook, tap 3 lines. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Tap Page Settings. Scroll down. Tap Access and Control. Tap Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Page, then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions, then tap Continue. You may be asked to re-enter your password, then tap Continue. Tap Continue. Tap Delete Page. Back to my profile. Let's check if my page already deleted. At the top of Facebook, tap 3 lines or your profile picture. Scroll down and select the page.